Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about hairstyles to put your hair in while you're waiting for it to dry. If you do your wash and goes in the morning and you don't have time to diffuse or you don't have time to air dry, but you want to keep your hair out of your face, but you don't want to like really mess up the curl pattern that much, this video is for you because I air dry all the time. And you know what, I don't have time to wait around 2 hours for my hair to dry. So I will throw it up in one of these hairstyles and go about my day. And when I get done doing whatever it is I'm doing, my hair is dry, my curls are uninterrupted, and everything is good. Life is perfect. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what else you want me to do, because I will do it, because I love you guys. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. And when you do subscribe, make sure you have my post notifications turned on so that you never miss one of my uploads ever again. Because I upload videos every single day and you want to be notified when they go up, don't you? Don't you? Don't you? Don't you? So if you want to see my 3 wet to dry curly hairstyles, then keep on watching. So the first one is my absolute favorite. I love doing this. Super quick, super simple, super easy. Is that the same thing? Yes. Okay, so you just want to all of your hair back. Depending on how you part your hair, this may be easier, more difficult. And you just want to take the top. So like right this section of your hair right here, just the top portion, and you just want to like twist it a little bit so it's flat against your head like that. See that? And you want to make sure this is flat, everything's nice and combed back. My hair is wet, by the way. I just refreshed my curls for the week. If you haven't seen my curl refreshing video, I will link it in the cards so you can go watch that first. Then you're just gonna take a couple bobby pins and pin that little twist down so it doesn't come loose. Boom. And this is it, you guys. This is hairstyle number 1. This is my go-to. This is my favorite wet to dry hairstyle of all time. It's quick and easy and it looks really nice, especially when my curls dry. They get bigger, so it's like so yeah, I like this. If you have more hair than me, or if you have thicker hair than me, you might need to use a few more bobby pins. But other than that, your curls haven't been interrupted. Really just this front part is what you might need to refresh a little bit once it's dry, but that's not a huge deal, is it? So for hairstyle number 2, we are going to take the front of your hair and literally twist it once and just pull it back. You don't have to twist it like a million times. I mean, you can if you want to. I just don't because I'm lazy. Take bobby pins and the twist down. And we're just going to do the same thing on the other side. Twist it, pull it back, pin it. And this is it. So when your curls dry, most of your hair will still be intact, still be curly. This part will have a cute little twist to it. So if you like it, you can keep it. If not, you can always wet your hair, scrunch it, and it'll do its thing. It'll go back to the way it was before you did this to it. But I like this because it keeps my hair out of my face, but still leaves most of my hair down so it can actually, you know, dry. But this is hairstyle number 2, and it's cute. Like this is so cute. It's so cute. It's so easy. It's so simple, and your hair can easily dry and be fabulous once you take it down. Okay, loves. So the final hairstyle is probably the easiest and one that I do most often when I just have no time, like none. I will take a scrunchie and I will put my hair up into a ponytail. And that's pretty much it. I'll usually bring it to the front like this, because I like having my hair on my shoulders. I don't know why. But this is what I'll do if I'm just being really lazy and I don't want to do anything to my hair at all. I will just put it in a ponytail, because most of it will dry and this part will dry flat. So my edges will dry flat so that when I take it down, they're not, going every direction. They'll actually be, pretty flat. So I mostly do this if I want that slicked back look. If not, I'll do the first one. Like I said, that one's my favorite. But this is also an option because most of your hair is down and it will dry fairly quickly in this method, in this hairstyle as well. Plus, just, classic ponytails are just, they don't get enough credit. They really don't. I feel like we should bring back the ponytail. Ooh, that's an idea. Well, you guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up so that I know you like it and I can do more videos like this. Comment down below what you want to see from me, because I do it all, as you can see. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so that you never miss another video ever again. I am about to go get food because I'm very sick. I don't know if you guys can tell, I sound like a 52-year-old man, but I'm about to go eat because I haven't really eaten anything all day, and sleep, and just sleep and sleep and sleep. So I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'll see you next time. Bye. Make sure you have my poster. Like, this is my favorite wet to dry hairstyle of they love each other. They don't want to be separated. Sorry, gotta go. Just gonna take the front of your hair and be fabulous. They can't see you.